Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my next video, and the topic is what is a group discussion or what is GD in short. Group is a collection of individuals who have regular contact and frequent interaction and who work together to achieve a common set of goals. Discussion is the process whereby two or more people exchange information or ideas in a face to face situation to achieve a goal. The goal or end product may be increased knowledge, agreement leading to action, disagreement leading to competition, or resolution, or perhaps only a clearing of the air or a continuation of the status quo. Who holds a group discussion? Group discussion, popularly labeled as GD, is a popular methodology used by many organizations, company, institute, business, school, etc. These days to whether the candidate has certain personality traits such as interpersonal communication skill, confidence in public speaking, team spirit, leadership abilities, social behavior, and problem solving skills. GD is from important part of the shortlisting process for recruitment or admission in a company or institution. How is GD conducted? In this methodology, there are usually 7 to 12 participants in a group. The group of candidates is given a topic or situation which could be either factual, abstract, or case based, and typically given some time to think and make notes about the same. After this, the group of candidates is and then asked to discuss it the topic among themselves for a specific duration ranging between 10 to 40 minutes, which may vary from one organization to another. While the group discusses the pertaining issue at hand, the moderators, panelists silently observe each candidate on various predetermined parameters. The panelists assign scores to every candidate based on his or her individual performance as well as how he performed within the group. As in a football game where you play like a team, passing the ball to each team member and aim for a common goal. GD is also based on teamwork, incorporating views of different team members to reach a common goal. So, group discussion refers to a communicative situation that allows its participants to share their views and opinions with their participants. It is a systematic exchange of information, views, and opinions about a topic, problem, issue, or situation among the members of a group who share some common objectives. Thank you.